Alright, so this is the 9 a.m. Futurecast. Little red dot there is us. Right there. It is moving a little bit away, and I think it is slowing down, possibly. I don't know. The rain out here is still hard, but it's not as bad as it was. The wind gusts pretty hard from time to time. You can see the gutters are still overflowing from water. So much water is falling at the same time. It's all going sideways. Let's check out the front, shall we? My little tree limbs have more tree limbs next to them. And my 3 little stupid trees are still there. Congratulations, little trees, you've made it so far. Look at those over there just blowing sideways. I can hear sirens. That's not a good sign. Boy, look at that one. Really leaning. Wow. It is definitely windier now. Oh look, you can see the water flooding the road all the way through here, all the way up to here. It's coming up their driveway. Oh, my little cherry tree is getting beat all up. I'll be really surprised if that tree doesn't fall. Goodness.